Here I am in Hobby Lobby again, and I notice these and these. I wonder if a person was missing a gear, whether for a clock, whether these can be used. Also notice these keys. Wonder if they would work on like grandfather clocks and jewelry boxes that require keys. Just my thoughts. These are pretty cool. I really like this store. But I bought these wooden dowels here. I'm buying these wooden dowels. And I think they'll fit on top of the Wooba clock that's missing the dowels. If not, it's only $2.49 wasted. I hope you all are liking this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless. I came to the store to check out the wood burning kits, but I think I can find a nicer one on eBay. I've already looked, but I'm also needing some candles for my candelabra French clock that I bought off of Sean Barnes here a while back. Nobody seems to have straight candles anymore.